What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a song in Udi style. Let's go. So first off we're gonna start with a pluck. It sounds like this. I just put a delay on it and a reverb just to give it more space. Let's lay down a melody. Alright, I made a melody. It sounds like this. And just a tip, if you use a third-party plugin, you can't work with slide notes. So in H6ITAM, you can put it here on mono, and here the porta, it's like a slide, I don't know how to call it. So it makes like this thing, and it depends which note you're clicking. Like here on the end, it sounds so nice. Then for the next part, I just used a pad for the background noise. It sounds like this. And I also added a reese. It sounds like this. I added a kickstart for this one, so when the bass kick hits, it's like not clashing with each other. And I also added a second plug. It sounds like the pad, just to give it more space, you know, for the melody. So altogether, the melody sounds like this. Next off, the important part is to use a sub kick. You know, it's important that it has like a bit of attack time, so it's not just a sub, it's a mix between a sub and a kick. I used this one, and I laid down the notes of the bass, basically. What you're gonna do next is, as I said, you add a kickstart to the reese bass, because if you don't do this, the sub kick and the reese bass will clash with each other. So now it sounds like this together. But if I turn off the kickstart, it's like this. And all together we have something like this. So that's how you make a beat in Udi style. Now let's hear the full version. Let's go.